Well, hello YouTube channel. This is Belmont here. And in most recent news, we find that Douglas Sears, aka Helpful Lockpicker, is now exploiting his fellow Locksport community by selling a round brass American padlock for, oh gee, you know what? I'm not even going to bother to speak it. I'm going to let you, the viewers, and my haters do the reading. The proof is right there in black and white. Douglas Sears does not care about the Locksport community or its members. He simply wants to make money off them. If someone is constantly pushing you to support them with your money, then they don't support their so-called community, only their greedy goals. And Douglas Sears is very greedy. Now, what you see before you are, well, a master lock and a brass master lock. Well, gee, Belmont, why do you have a brass master padlock with American? Because it's a brass lock. That's the only draw he's trying to get with selling the S100 round locks. And what you see right here are 3 bump keys. What we have right here, I'm sure you can all see, this is a 6-pin American. It is AM7. It's also listed as A1045. And gee, Belmont, what you got right here? Well, this is a 5-pin. This is AM3. Oh, and what you got here? Well, this is a reverse. This is an AM3R. And this was one final gift to me from Taku of Mayhem Keys. Not commonly made anywhere else. Now, why exactly would you want to pay beyond $30 for a padlock when I've shown you viewers how much a standard padlock that fits these same 3 keys and is made by these makers? Please get a good look. American Lock, Federal, Fortress, Junk Unk. American Lock, First Watch, Junk Unk. Do the math for yourselves. I've already done it for you, but maybe you'll actually see. Also, in other news, Joseph Skates, with 2 A's, better known as Average Joe Locksport, has in fact been in email contact with me, despite him admitting to lying to other members of the Locksport community that he is not. in order to save face and keep his popularity growing on his YouTube channel and avoid being the negative downvotes and negative backlash. So, yeah, if he will lie to his viewers, what's to stop him from lying about anything else? Ask yourselves that question. You cannot trust a liar on YouTube. You cannot trust someone who is pushing their own agenda to make a profit off others on YouTube. Here endeth the lesson. And this video will be called Exposing Locksport on YouTube. Stick around.